In this video, I'll show you how to set up your XtraBoost Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. This is the fastest and easiest way to connect your extender to your existing Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and plug into power. First, unbox your XtraBoost Wi-Fi extender. Inside box, you will get XtraBoost Extender and quick user manual. Now plug your XtraBoost extender into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 2. Press WPS button on router. Now press the WPS button on your router for 2 seconds. The WPS light should start blinking. This means your router is ready to pair. Step 3. Press WPS on your XtraBoost extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your XtraBoost extender for 2 seconds. Now, wait about 30 seconds. The WPS lights on both devices should turn solid. That means they've successfully connected. The extender's signal LEDs will show the connection strength. Step 4. Connect to extender network. Now go to your mobile or laptop Wi-Fi settings. You will get one more Wi-Fi name same as your home Wi-Fi name followed by EXD. This is the extender SSID. Use your home Wi-Fi password to connect it and enjoy Wi-Fi everywhere. That's it. You have successful connect XtraBoost Wi-Fi extender to your home Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you to fix your Wi-Fi issue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.